All right, you guys, we're making the coraline squid. These little guys. This, but my own version. There he is in the movie. I'm using this yarn. It's Lion Brand, Lazy Days, Thick and Quick, and it kind of feels like a t-shirt tube, and then they stuffed it a little bit, so it's like kind of plushy. The label recommends a 9, so I'm going down to an 8. Also, mine's gonna look more like cutesy squishmallow kind of thing. So these are our legs. We're gonna make 6 of them. I've made 5, so I'm gonna show you how on the 6th one. But these are the little legs. It's gonna be big, I think. Okay, we're gonna do a magic circle, or however you do circles, and put 6 single crochets into the middle. Again, this is the legs. So we're doing this 6 times. So I have the 6 in a circle, and then moving forward, since we're working in the round, we're not gonna slip stitch or anything, so I put a piece of contrasting yarn in the first stitch of every round, so I just don't have to think about it, and I know when to stop. So in this second round, we are doing just kind of typical circle, if you make them a lot, 2 single crochets into every single crochet in the previous round, so you should have 12 total stitches in round 2. Okay, for round 3, we're starting with 1 single crochet in the first stitch and then 2 in the next, and then repeat that pattern. So 1 single crochet, and then 1 increase, then 1 single crochet, and then 1 increase, and you'll have 18 stitches in round 3. Okay, so now we have 3 rounds, and then we're going to go up to 14 rounds total, so you have 11 left, and these are just single crochets in every stitch. So no more increasing or anything, and then after 11 rows of single crochet, your leg will look like this. Okay, now for the little ear fin part. So we're going to do a magic ring again, but this time we are only going to put 4 single crochets inside the circle. 1, 2, 3, 4. You get it. All right, second round. Put my other yarn in there, and I'm going to do an increase in every stitch, so 2 single crochets for a total of 8 in round 2. Okay, round 3, we are going to single crochet in the first stitch and then increase in the next. So 1 single crochet, then 2, then 1, then 2. That gives you a total of 12. And now for the next round, I'm just gonna go around with single crochets. So 12 single crochets, 1 in each stitch all the way around for round 4. Do that for 2 more rounds so that you have 6 total. So here's that, and then do it again so that you have 2 of these. So at this point we have our cute little head pieces, 2 of them, and 6 legs. So I have this circle done, and this is the numbers for it. I messed up here, so ignore that. This is the middle. You put 6 stitches into the magic circle, and then increase in all of them, and then 1 stitch increase, 2 increase, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, until you have 9 rounds on your circle. So on round 10, we're going to be doing 8 stitches and then an increase. And this is also where we're going to be attaching the legs. So stuff them lightly. So to attach the legs, we have 18 stitches on the top. So when we fold them in half, they're going to be 9. And we're doing 8 stitches and then an increase. So all 8 and the increase are going to go into the 1 leg. So I'm going to start where we cut the yarn off. So that last stitch and the stitch right next to it. And then you also want to go in to the first stitch in the project. Pull through all of them. Single crochet on like that. And then the next one is down here. So we're going to go here, here, and here. Whoop. Kind of just move this out of the way. Okay. And then this yarn that's coming out of the leg, just kind of crochet over it, and then we're going to knot it on the inside. And so now you can see this is starting to attach, and this is the bottom of the project technically. So when we keep moving, we'll be moving this way, and the squid is going to form here. Okay, we are on the 9th, so I'm through the last 2 stitches on the leg, and then I'm going into the main project, And then I'm going to put a stitch through there again, since the 9th stitch is our increase. So now we have one leg on, and then as we move to the next 8 stitches and then increase, we're going to attach another leg. So it might get like kind of crowded for a second, but that's okay. We're just continuing on like we did before. And so you're going to do the 8 stitches and the 9th increase and attach all of your legs. Okay, so now we're here. They fit perfectly, the legs. And I like quadruple checked the math, so I knew that they were going to fit, but it always feels very nice when it works out. Anyway. So we want the body to kind of sit like on the legs a little bit. Like we want it to come further out. So we're going to do 2, maybe 3, probably only 2 more increase rows. So this one's going to be 9 single crochet and then increase 6 times. It's going to be a repeat of 10 single crochet and then an increase. I am going to do another one. So this is 11 single crochet increase repeat. Okay, now I'm just going to start with 2 rows of single crochet in every stitch. To those 2, actually do another one. So do 3 rows of just single crochet in every stitch. Also, at this point, go ahead and secure all your ends. Since they're going to be tucked in, they can just kind of like hang in here. But I just tied mine in knots and then made sure they were all inside. After the 3 rows of single crochet, we are going to do, in the 6 repeat, 11 single crochets and 1 decrease. After that decrease round, do 1 more row of single crochet in every stitch. Okay, I think it looks really good so far. So the next 2 rows is going to be another decrease and then just single crochet all the way around. So this decrease is single crochet 10 and then do a decrease 6 times. Okay, I'm loving how this is looking actually. So I'm going to do this for the 9 single crochet decrease and then single crochet in each and then also do it for 8. So the next 4 rows, 9 decrease 6 times, single crochet in each, and then 8 single crochet decrease 6 times, and then single crochet in each. Those are your next 4 rows. Okay, this is looking great. The next 4 rows, we're just going to do the decreases. So we're going 7 decrease, 6 decrease, 5, 4. And then after that, I'm just going to come back for a second. At this point, we have 4 rows left. So I'm going to start stuffing the body. I'm just using like regular polyfill. Okay, so at this point, this is where my row begins. So usually this would be the front. I like this side, so I want to put my button here. So I'm just going to pick a stitch on this side. And I'm going to sew the little ear fin things on, starting on the 2nd row down so that it doesn't interfere with me being able to crochet into that row above. So I'm going back and forth so that this is sewn on right here. You're pretty much good. So do the 3 decrease repeat row, the 2 decrease repeat row, the 1 decrease repeat row until you're doing all decreases, and then finish stuffing and sew the top. Okay, cute. She just needs a pink button. Okay, wait, I love it. I was worried about the button, but no longer. So cute. If you know my sister, don't show this to her. Yay!